Hey, doing a quick review for this Blink brand doorbell. Really don't know what I used to do without one of these. They're so handy when deliveries have come. So to have a doorbell when you don't have necessarily a place where you could install one. If you're a renter, this is a great solution for that. It gives some peace of mind and some security at home. I have another camera for the back of the house. This one's great for the front, which is movement within a certain distance of the house, all kinds of settings, and it picks up just enough but not too much activity, so it's not constantly going off, which is great. This is something provides a sense of security as well as awareness around your home. It's a great tool and I would definitely recommend it.